The cries of the seagulls should be louder than the normal harbor noise.
We set our goal as Hamburg to be climate neutral port by 2040. So that's basically what we aim for, and shore power is a vital cornerstone of that, because at the time, and still is, the readily available technology to reduce emissions significantly for vessels at berth.
Shore power is that important because if you look at the pollution that the berthing time and the vessels are staying in the port, it's a major part of the pollution.